Welcome friends. In this video I will do technical analysis of Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum and many other coins, so please watch this video complete and subscribe my Telegram channel, my Telegram group and my YouTube channel, and please thumbs up the button and please like this video and share this too. Here you can see this is the Bitcoin US dollar on our Gemini chart. In my previous video I was told you that Bitcoin will hit $29,570. Here you can see Bitcoin hit my target and Bitcoin hit this bull flag target and Bitcoin hit my target towards upside. And question is that what will be the next target for me for the Bitcoin? Is Bitcoin going to up here or is Bitcoin going to down here? I have to show this for you. Let me please show you. I have to go for Binance chart, Binance USDT chart. Please let me show you. This is the chart. Here you can see Bitcoin currently is in rising channel or rising wedge type pattern, and here you can see this was the last resistance for the Bitcoin. If Bitcoin close this hourly candle above this resistance, $29,550, this will be the indication that maybe Bitcoin hit $30,000 and $30,400 level. And if Bitcoin reject again from here, we may see a dip, and this will be the next move for the Bitcoin. Maybe we may see some sideways action in this zone. We have to watch this zone carefully. This is very strong resistance for the Bitcoin, and currently this is acting like a strong resistance, and we have to wait for this breakout. And if Bitcoin break this resistance and goes above $29,600 level, then you have to open a long position. This is not an investment or trading advice. This is just my knowledge. If you want to trade, then trade it at your own risk, because trading is always very risky. Let me please show you my EMA ribbon. Here you can see EMA ribbon is currently at the resistance point $29,108 level. If Bitcoin break this resistance, $28,630 level, and close hourly candle below this EMA ribbon, this will be the indication that Bitcoin price will go down. But currently Bitcoin creating an all-time high $29,563 level. Very congratulations to all of you. Very good for the health of Bitcoin and good for the growth of the Bitcoin. Now let me please show you the MACD and RSI. Let me please show you. Here you can see a crossover towards upside. Here you can see towers are really small, and we have to wait for this big move because volume is small. And this is the RSI currently at 63 point. If RSI move towards upside and hit at 70 level, this will be the indication that Bitcoin is full bullish, and I think then Bitcoin will hit $31,000 to $32,000 level. We have to wait. We have this breakout is very important, friends. We have to wait for this. And let me please show you my other charts. Here you can see this is the Ripple chart and US Ripple USDT 1 hour chart, and here you can see this is the Bitstamp chart 1 hour. In my previous video I was told you that Ripple was in symmetrical triangle and we saw a breakout, and after that Ripple hit half of my target and hit 25 cents level, but after that Ripple rejected at here and we saw a pullback. If Ripple break this resistance and goes towards upside, then it will surely hit 27 cents level. After that 30 cents level. These are my targets for the Ripple currently, and we have to wait for this. And let me please show you the EMA ribbon and my other tools indicators. Sorry, here you can see EMA ribbon is currently 23 cents level and acting like a support. This is very good for the Ripple, and we have to wait what move Ripple can take. And Let me please show you the MACD. Here you can see it crossover towards the upside, but towers are really small, and we may see some sideways action in Ripple. And after that, I think Ripple will join the party and will hit. Here you can see RSI is currently at 65 point. This is the indication that maybe prices of Ripple, price of Ripple maybe go high, and Ripple hit my target of 30 cents. We have to wait for this. Let me please show you my other chart. This is the Ethereum USD chart. Let me remove some drawings and tools. Here you can see. In my last video, I was told you that Ethereum was in this rising channel, but unfortunately Ethereum break this rising channel toward downside, and after that Ethereum is struggling hard to break this downtrend line, but failed several times. Let me please remove some drawings. Let me please do this. Friends, please like and subscribe my channel. Please subscribe my channel and like this video too. For more informative content, we have just show me your support, friends. Here you can see I am pattern and breakout towards downside, and after that we saw this. Currently, this level is very important for the Ethereum, $750 or $700 to $55 level. If Ethereum break this downtrend line, after that Ethereum will go to $780. This is my short-term target, and if Ethereum reject at that point, 750 or to $755 level, then Ethereum will go to $720 level, and if Ethereum break this, then it will go to $700. We have to wait for this. I think this is very strong support for the Ethereum, $720, and this is very strong resistance for the Ethereum, $750 level. We have to wait. We have to wait for the next move. Here you can see EMA ribbon currently candle is above of EMA ribbon at $744 level, and this is the indication. I think if this candle close above EMA ribbon, this will be the indication maybe Ethereum price will go high. My short-term target for Ethereum is $780 level, and my bearish target for Ethereum is $720 level, and my midterm target is $800 level. We have to wait for these levels. Let me please show you the MACD, please. Here you can see crossover is coming towards upside. Here crossover of upside is coming. Here you can see, but volume is very low and histogram towers are very small, and maybe we may see some big move in coming hours. And RSI is currently on $54 points. This is the indication that I think Ethereum will go high. Anything above 50 of RSI is a sign of bullness, I think, and we may see some we may see some pump in Ethereum price, I think. So we have to wait for this. Let me please show you my other coin. Let me please show you Litecoin. Here you can see I was set this target for the Litecoin. If Litecoin break this horizontal channel, then Litecoin will go to $140 level and $145 level. But if Litecoin reject this trend line and reject it from this trend line, then maybe it will go to $123 level, and after that we may see a pullback in Litecoin price. Here we may see this kind of action in Litecoin, some sideways action, and after that we may see a big pump in Litecoin price. Let me please remove some drawings and let me please tell you my targets. Currently I am not very certain that Litecoin will go more higher, will hit 140 and $145 level. I think Litecoin will move like this. I think like this, and after that we'll break this. We have to wait for this, and if Litecoin break this trend line at $134, then this will be the indication that Litecoin will hit 140 or $145 level. And if Litecoin rejected again from this trend line, then Litecoin will again will hit $123 level. Let me please show you the EMA ribbon. Here you can see tower is currently candle is currently above EMA ribbon. If this hourly candle close above EMA ribbon, this will be the indication that price will go high. We have to wait 20 minutes for this. After that, the rally of Litecoin will, I think, begin. Here you can see in MACD. Crossover is coming towards upside, and here you can see upward crossover is coming. If this crossover happens, then this will certain that Litecoin price will go more high. Here you can see. Let me please remove some drawings. These are now RSI currently at 55 point. This is the bullish sign, and I think price of the LTC I think will go high, and I think hit 130 to $133 level. After that, I think we saw a pullback. We may see a pullback, and okay. Let me please show you my last coin, and this is Linkcoin. Here you can see, as I was told you, Linkcoin was in symmetrical triangle, and I set my target 12.69, and Linkcoin hit $12.47 level, and hit I think 80% of my target. This is very good sign. I think from here Linkcoin will go high, I think so. Let me please draw some drawings for you. Currently this is the main resistance area for Linkcoin. If Linkcoin break this resistance, I think it will, then Linkcoin will go to, I think so, and let me please show you. The next target of Linkcoin is $13.30 level. After that, $13.57 level, and after that $13.88 level, and my last level for short term is $14.58 level. Let me please show you. Please draw this. These are the levels for the Linkcoin. We have to wait, and here you can see Linkcoin must have to break these resistances and to go high. And let me please show you the EMA ribbon, and here you can see EMA ribbon is currently at $11.47 level, and candle is far away from EMA ribbon. This is the good sign for Linkcoin, and this is the indication that Linkcoin will go high and price will go high. Let me please show you MACD. Here you can see towers are green and red, big towers. Crossover is towards upside. This is the indication that Linkcoin's price will go high. And let me please show you RSI. RSI is super bullish at 76 point. Anything above 70 is like a super bullish trend. Link is currently in super bullish mode. I think Link will hit my targets I told you. This is the video, friends. Please like and subscribe my video and subscribe my YouTube channel, and please share this video to your friends. Thanks for the watching. Allah Hafiz.